fela ke letse ke talente ka bala ho bua le ho ngola quiz language English
nami ngiphiwe cheese uyabona mengikhuluma umlungu wami omkhulu ubasi impela uStevenis yamazi base wami Stevenis athi mina on James good morning it my yes James come here James go away James fly James James have nice day yeah.
Sibonene ba. Ngabe nguwe unogada walapha?
Cha.
Oh.
Hey, wena mfana. Ubandela.
Yanga nokubuze kahle wena baba ukuthi unogada walapha yini wena? Wathi wena awuyena.
Yo. Uyaphinda ngifundekele yini le?
Amehlo.
Kuwena izilonda nje. Ngabuza ibhasi bhalo wabona ngiphoyisa la.
Awusuka. Awunaso nesibhamu. Bengimana ukuhlonipha nje manje unogada. Wena ngumantshikelana.
Uthini mina? Uthi umantshikelana imali yakho? Hayi. Hamba usinde yazwa.
Hi, James.
Morning, Mrs. Ungathi hayi ngikubingelela.
Sorry, what did you say?
James.
Oh, yes, I remember, James. Where's Mr. Stevens?
In office with the cichlids.
James?
In office with the cichlids.
Can I go through, please?
Akadluli Mrs.
Mfukeni indoni ngokukhala kakubi kangaka nje
ichawe ke practice sello ba hopola khale ya khale e go gaetse ke ba gona ke fika mono ba habo mofu ba ele lori le nna ke lahlehetswe mamela he hore selo sena se jwa
hayi Mfukeni imbi lento uyenzayo ngiyaqala ukubona umuntu opracticela ukukhala emncwabeni yiyeke lento ayilungi zange yenziwe lento
Baby, take put that file in there. That's fine. More to the left. Yes. Okay, are you happy?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes!
Hello, Mary.
What's wrong?
John at the gate told me, and I see he was right.
He told you what? He is lying, whatever it is he said to you.
He told me that woman there is your secret.
My what?
Your secret.
I'm going to phone him at the gates and come and say it here in front of me. I'm going to bash him.
I am deciding to leave this place.
No, Claire, please don't go. I need you.
Mr.
Just
Stevens, just stay out of my way. I'm
prepared to
leaving.
double your salary.
Let's
I'm
go.
We can
supposed
work-
to be
no,
a
we-
secretary,
we can
not
work
a
this out.
secret.
Well, your little secret is out,
Get
dear.
out of my way, please.
Hey, hayi Mfukeni uyabona le into yokukhensa nokudrayiva ayikuthi italente zakho wena inye into ufuneka uyenze funeka uhlale phansi ohlobo lihleli ngalo Ya umane unqala nje inhloko. Umane utepisha ngenyama. Uthi warda, yeah, neta.
Nna ke mofokeng no sheba hantle ga tlo le fase ke bodi tatatata tse tsao tseo ke ema nna tante ke kgole ro le ntate hao nkitlo le molo hampe universal
Mfukeng uzawukwazi ukuya emathekweni amathathu uye emngcwabeni wale girlfriend yakho ufike bulile emva koko ube sowujiva estokfelini emva koko uyoba yi-MC eThekwini elikhulu kwakhona
ha o ntse hantle chawe ke yo kanonyana tsa tharo ka lokelele le nna 3 birds with 1 stone ha ke imesi Morse what
Ha! Hi! Hello, Mandonda Wakiti.
Chilwani.
Hey! Hey! Mufukeni. Hey, kuyenzakala nebhanji. Oh, uyisudu. Wajuruka kangaka nje umuhle kuyenzakala.
Monna Chilwani ke re ka shekolela monna ke mokete wa semeke sa haji mo jetsa chawe
Mfukeng uthela bafunda nyanyani uzakuba yi-MC
chawe go hela mona a go le jealous down ena ya hao ke tlhola ke
Come in.
Dumela mbontate.
Hello.
brati
Fuchs, ejetla.
re tsamaka
7 series remetse kantle.
le guketse Seven series.
Hey, ciao. Hey, mhlambe lo muntu lo ulokathi yena uya mapatini waphezulu kanti wenza ama down party.
Down party? Into not.
Awuyazi down party? Hey, party is for the downs. Kutsho ukuthi lento le itsho ukuthi mugidi wewaphansi.
Open the gate, please. I'm in a hurry.
Hey, where you taking motor?
Please don't waste my time. Just remove the bar.
Hayi, amphoyisa, funa ukusesha vula imoto.
You are wasting my time.
Boza, vula.
I'm in a hurry and I have to go.
Funa ukusesha, yasebenza nami. Vula la, open.
You want me to open the boot? There's nothing in there. Please let me go.
Vula la.
You see, there's nothing in there. Are you mad?
Wena umedi, ngeke udlwe la. Ungayenza into ekutshela yona, vula la.
You want me to open the boot? There's nothing in there. Please let me go.
Hey, I search your car. Amphoyisa here, even bus. I search car bus Steven.
You want me to open the boot? See, there's nothing in there.
Abu. Ikuthenile lokho,
You are wasting my time. Please let me go.
Oh, uyatshontsha, uyisela. Utshontsha insinza belungishisa. Put him down. Hey, beke phansi, put him down. Okay, ngiyabuya sophendula ucingo. Hallo, Mkhize Spirit. You must be this. Hey! How? Zabiti mzabelo kwithuma.
Hello. Why are you dropping the phone down on me?
You are so lying, Dick. You have not even called him. Now you say that he's dropped the phone because you dare not allow him to tell the truth here.
He is so rude. He has dropped the phone on me because he knows he has lied to you.
This is a cover-up. You just do not want him to expose you.
Hey. Ayingobela umlungu omkhulu, hey. Awe basi, nomkhulu. Le ntombazana sikulete. Tekhala lana we.
There you go again. What do you say now?
What does you mean, my secret? Is that what you said to my wife?
Oh, Nancy, like what?
You told my wife I'm sitting with my secret here.
Hey, intombi yakho le, lie to letter is a sick lead.
You see, she even writes you love letters. Where are they?
There are no love letters. Of course she writes letters for me. She's my secretary.
Nako, boss. As light. Secretary. Oh, umehluko lapho. Yaw kuyafana nje. All the same for me kufana lokho boss.
Oh, Dick, I'm so sorry. I realized he made a confusion about the words secret and secretary. I wonder what Claire will think of me.
Oh, darling, it was not your fault either. At last, I know you are jealous about me.
Hawu, khabazela.
Wasizwa sheshwafika.
Ukhona konakele yini?
Akukhulu kabi madoda. Uyayibona intombazane nesebenzela ubasi, usiklidi lo. Oh, angathi ubaleka nemoto lana. Hey, yamangena eqaleni ke manje.
Hawu, wabaleka kanjani umuntu efema ugadile?
Uyabona Mdondo, sigebengu lo kade akubona. Ayithi ngikhuluma nakho la ngisesha imoto. Oh, nkini khala ucingo la. Ngithi mina himala, ngiyabuya. Thathani mina ucingo. Ithi hello, speak Mkhize la. Oh, ngiyabona imoto phela. Athi yaphuma isihamba, sokubalekile.
Hawu.
Hayi. Awukwazi lokho la Madonda. Hey, kulungile Madonda. Nami ngiphuthi bekhaya ngithatha imgodlana yami ngishawa utshani.
Hayi, khambe kahle khabazela.
Hey, ayicabeke Dondo. Isobonana ngokusa.
Uyobonana.
Hayi, swale.
Are you sure you put your keys in there?
Yes, darling. No, I left them in the ignition.
What might have happened? No, dear, this is not the combi you were driving.
Where is our combi then?
Claire was supposed to use this one today. She might have taken yours.
Where are the keys to this combi?
I gave it to the security man. I will call him at the gate.
Hello.
Where are the car keys?
Okaki?
Yes.
Awubamba kancane. Hold it. Hayi. Shetweni. Bakhona. Here.
Bring him to the parking near my office.
Lungile. Okay.
Oh, there he comes.
What's this?
Khaki.
I said, where are the car keys? Are you deaf, man? Never mind. Where's that security guy who was on duty before you?
It's me, James.
Yes, him. I gave him the combi keys this morning when I arrived.
Uhambe. It's gone. It's going.
Cha mkhathi obengithi ngunquse lapha mne wethu ukuthi ungihambisele lezi impahla lezi insimbi nje nalokhu ungiyisele kona ekhaya. Ngoba ngifisa ukuthi ngiyolungisa ekhaya. Manje bengifisa ukwazi ukuthi ke ungayimalini nje kukonke.
Ewu Nkomose. Ngizozama. Kodwa ngaphambi kwaloko ukuthi ngeke ngizwe isisindo bese ngikutshela ukuthi kuzoba imalini.
Oh, ayikulungile.
Awu. Hey, lena kuzoba ikhulu lamalandi. Aha. Uyezwa na uyasinda inesinda impela.
Kulungile akuqhubeke ngezwe.
Nalena ke sizwe. Hayi, nayi le kuzoba ikhulu lamalandi.
Kusho ukuthi ke manje seku
amakhulu amabili. Lena ke kuzoba u50 rand.
leya ke.
Nayo 50 rand.
Awu kahle bo. Mkhathi kusho ukuthi manje seku amakhulu
amathathu
ke mathathu
300 rand.
Ngeke ngilunga.
Konjani
ngeke ngilunga awe imali engaka?
Lalela phela Nkomosa. Uyabona la endleleni nana ziningi ipenekopho. Ngenzela phela ukuthi noma ngabe siyavinjwa lapha endleleni kube khona oncanyane ngukhokhayo.
Phela lokho okwakho lokho akusho ukuthi ungakhokhelwa yimi lokho. Ngoba phela icala ulenzulazi. Ngeke ngilunge impela mkhathi waye ke. Okungcono ungahlephula okungcono uthathe lokho kodwa ke ukushiye lokho.
Kulungile ke. Hayi ngizohlephula ngo20 rand.
Kusho ukuthi ke bese kuba ke
u280.
Oh, bantwana bakababa, awungeke. Ay. Nakhona lapho awungeke usehle lamashumi amahlanu nje kuphela.
Awu Nkomose.
Awu, mkhajwa.
Ingani umchunu uyakunika imali eyimbiza nje?
Noba kunjalo kodwa ke ngeke. Hawu into encane kangaka.
Kulungileke. Asithi 200 rand.
Hayi kulunge. So nje ungithathela ke ungangithathela nini ngoba ngifuna ukuthi ishayele impela sonto sezisekhaya.
Hayi. Kusasa lo usayo ngizothi abafana balethe imoto bese ngiyayithatha. Hayi
ngiyabonga ke mkhajwa. Kusho ukuthi sesobonana ke impela sontweni.
Ngisayi emsebenzini ke mina.
Yeah.
Ngizokubona.
Nangu nokhabazela. Awudlula ngapha khabazela.
Yebo Nkomosi.
Udlula ungibonise lapha. Ngithi ngicela unqumana lapho uthi angehlisele lezi zinto ziye ngasekhaya. Uyangincenza hayi indoda ayikhona. Bese buya lapha bheke emakhulwini amathathu. Hayi ngakhuza ngababaza akhabazela ngathi awungaye kulunga. Ungcobe senalo iveni lakhe lobeka sathelele lezi zinto ube ngasibizi kanje. Unquma lo sengiheke. Ngeke.
Washo naphi ngqobo Nkomosi?
Angimazi ngiyabona mhlambe khona okonakala emotweni yakhe.
Lo nto madoda.
Hayi khona. Kodwa khabazela usho. Basanathi kodwa umoya wakhe umuhle nje indaba.
Nkomosi. Okabelungu lokho. Kuyabheda. Akusazi isingisi. Kuyasikhuluma nje kodwa ayikhona ke sikashela.
Phela bafanele khabazela. Uyazi ukuthi abelungu nabo behlukene inhlobo eziningi. Kukhona amabhunu, kukhona amaPutukezi, kukhona amagiriki, kukhona amaJuda njalo njalo.
Nkomosi. Ngisho mina mangisi la kaGeorge. Njengalaba nje basefamily yakithi emsebenzini obasi Steveness.
Hayi phela bafanele. Ungazi usho labo. Angithi phela ibela balazi. Bazi umnqumo bheka. Abafani naye. Thina sisikhuluma nje isizulu sasilelebele. Bona ibela do balazi.
Bona. Nkomosi.
Yini manje?
Ibhadi lami ngempela namhlanje.
Yini kwenze njani?
Nkomosi, ngabe nokho yabasemsebenzini.
Phuthuma. Baphuthume bahambise. Phutuma.
Baba sayidla.
Phuthuma impela.
Emkhathi, ngisiza mkhathi konakele la.
Kwenze njani manje?
Kwenzeka iphutha mkhathi ngihamba nokhe basomkhulu Steveness. Maye mufika lapha emacingwana. Ngimtshela ngishayele efemini eVelgate ukuthi sengisendleleni nabo khena apha kumina.
Ngisize.
Uyayazi inombolo emacingwana bakumina okay. Ngisize ngiyabonga. Ungenzeleke ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Steveness. Yini kona lokho?
Yabona ke mshana, ningakhathazeki. Uzokwehla mina amathupha, ngizolungisa leyo ndaba. Eningakwenza mana kancane. So ngobe ngikuthini. Kulungile. Manje ngizobulundela nje kwenze njani?
Mnumzane. Umkhizi ungithola la ngaphandle lana.
Akalimala kakhulu
lutho. Umkhize lana uthi ngize la kuwe. Kodwa ujika lapho ukhuluma ngokhiye. Ukhuluma ngoba Stevens, ukhuluma ngefame. Angisamtholi kahle mina.
Mana kancane mfana. Mina ngena kanjani efemini kaMkhize?
Uthi umkhize lana ngize la kuwe. Wena uthatha ucingo, ushayela uba Stevens, umtshela uthi yena uyeza nokhiye.
Mina ngibathinte efemini kaMkhize. Ngibatshela ukuthi bamnikeze ukhiye.
Akunjalo mnumzane. Uthi wena ukhulume noba Stevens, utshela uba Stevens ukuthi yena umkhize uphethe okhiye basefemini.
Ngiyakuthola ke manje. Umkhize ufuna mina. Ngishayele efemini yakhe ngibatshela ukuthi uyeza nokhize. Hayi ke.
Madoda. Sengizwile njengalesiphoko somlungu esihamba lapho wasitela sikubuza ngekhanda laso.
Mama wenyo. Wasitusa phela thina. Hlampa simthula.
Uzosizana ukuthula kwakho. Ngoba nawe uMasilana naso sokusithi, "Where's makeup?"
Manje mawuthi aliko ke.
Busubeni baqala uvalo madoda. Yini uthuswe yini?
Baba Makhize. Thula. Hayi Baba Makhize. Akuyivanga lento sibaliselwa ngumanyoni. Uthi kukho isipoko sebhulu esithi Waar is your kop? Waar is my kop?
Ubayena lo, uhlala kuphi ndawo?
Hayi ba umkhize. Sukuthetha. Uyawufa.
Hayi. Nomshayeli sathi besa ngiphiliza ikhanda.
Hayi madoda, sokuhlwile. Ithi nami ngingibhekise ngasekhaya. Uqaphele kuphela.
Makisa uyabona le muntu le usukile la wathi uyemncwabeni beka udwakhile kanjani uzofuna kufaka umhlanzi wakho lapha phakala
Hayi, uyabona sibani? Uma amafoni sebenje bemnandi. Ngeke, ngiyolala mina ngeke futhi ngene enkulumeni. Hayi,
baba Makisa manje unishiyani yedwa hayi suka la hayi hlala la phansi ewe
Iti virus may kop.
ayakhulu utho lapha.
Naman bikon.
Ayakhulu.
Asambe
Asya.